everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Today we are going to open a wireless doorbell
that can be bought on Amazon.com.
Now open it.
Now we're going to start opening it. It looks like there's like this. And it looks
You can
like
plug it into the
some
wall.
music.
And this is
that
the part
looks
that goes
like
into the
doorbell.
goes by the front door. Let's see if we can try it out.
This is a sticky tape.
And then we can just put it on right on the wall, right where our old doorbell was.
Yes.
So easy, even a kid can do
So
it.
yes, try.
And then we're gonna plug the other piece in. And they have different sounds you can pick from.
Wait, yes to the ice cream truck.
Press the button.
In 3, 2, 1.
And it lights up too.
Can our doorbell be the ice cream truck?
And we can lower the volume too if we don't want it that loud. Super easy to set up.
It's super easy to set up. Even the kid can set it up.
We love the way it looks with the blue LED lights and all the different sounds we can choose from.
Doorbell sounds like an ice cream truck.
And we can't wait to use it again.
And we can't wait to use it again.